In 2022, off-plan sales made up 56% of all property sales in Dubai that year. In other words, more unfinished off-plan properties are being sold in Dubai right now than ready properties. In this video, we are covering in detail the potential risks and opportunities from this development. Thanks for watching. Dubai has always had a very strong off-plan market. However, the current market boom as of 2023 has led to new heights both in the number of off-plan property launches as well as the share of off-plan properties as part of the overall housing market. According to data from the Dubai Land Department, the government authority responsible for registering property sales, 2022 saw a new record high for off-plan sales. In fact, in 2022, the total number of off-plan sales stood at 52,000 units, exceeding the more typical number of annual off-plan sales of around 20,000 units per year. Similarly, the total number of off-plan sales exceeded the number of ready apartments being sold. In 2022, off-plan sales made up 56% of all property sales that year. Looking at total value rather than the number of off-plan sales, we see an even more pronounced trend. 2022 saw an incredible 125 billion dirham in off-plan sales, or $34 billion. This number is 5 times greater than the long-term average of around 25 billion dirham in annual off-plan sales. Why are off-plan sales measured in terms of value even greater? Most property launches nowadays are in the premium and high-end sectors, while a few years ago most launches were average-priced middle-class properties. We are seeing a potential oversupply risk given the sheer number of off-plan sales, along with their record-high share of the total real estate market. We need to keep in mind that off-plan properties will end up as ready-built properties in just a few years' time. The people investing in off-plan real estate already live somewhere, whether that be in Dubai or abroad. In just a couple of years, we will see massive new supply of primarily luxury residences, and if they're supposed to earn a return, they need tenants or occupants. The good news is that off-plan property sales are concentrated in a few Dubai neighborhoods. Most of these off-plan properties are in the high-end luxury sector. As a result, any oversupply of properties will be limited to certain neighborhoods and certain property types. Even in today's market, there are relatively undervalued properties to be found. Here at the Dubai Navigator, we use cash flow analysis and predictive trend analysis to identify which properties will likely outperform the market in the long run. Check out our services at thedubainavigator.com or sign up for a free consultation. There's more good news. Dubai's population is continuously rising, and in 2022 alone, more than 4,000 millionaires migrated to the United Arab Emirates from abroad. That means that more millionaires moved to Dubai than to the United States and Canada combined. The long-term sustainability of Dubai's current property prices, especially in the luxury segment, strongly depends on the continuation of this millionaire migration trend. Our strategy consulting firm, the Dubai Navigator, does not sell properties. Instead, we develop tax and return optimized property investment strategies for our clients. View our property strategy services on our website, thedubainavigator.com. We also offer ancillary services including international business and tax strategies, tax-optimized stock investment strategies for UAE residents, and international estate plans covering multiple countries. Here at the Dubai Navigator, we develop legal strategies that allow you to relocate your business and residence to Dubai and the UAE, make tax-optimized investments in properties and stocks, and draft safe international estate plans to protect your global assets. Visit us on our website, thedubainavigator.com, and access a large range of free articles on tax and investment issues for Dubai and the UAE. Thank you for watching.